Hello everyone. This is a 5-minute guided meditation that can be done at any time in the day to become relaxed mentally and physically. Make sure you're sitting or lying comfortably and that you will not be disturbed. Imagine you're lying at a beach under a palm tree on soft white sand. It is very calming to hear the waves gently crashing. You feel really refreshed as the cool water touches your feet. There is nowhere you have to be, and you have all the time in the world to feel how the sun warms you and how your body rests on the sand. You can let go of all the tension. You are at the right place at the right time. As you're resting on the sand, notice how you inhale. You feel the air going in and out of your body. As you breathe, observe which parts of your body rise and fall along with your breathing. In our busy day-to-day life, we take breathing for granted. But if you're aware of it, you'll notice that every breath is so refreshing for your body. It's almost like drinking fresh, cold water on a really hot day when you're thirsty. Breathing is precious, like you are, like life is, if we only take time to notice. As you're staring at the blue sky and the drifting clouds, there's nothing in this moment that worries you. It's perfectly okay just to be here, just to relax, just feel your breathing and let go of everything else. Notice your breathing again as it fills you up with fresh energy and how old, stressful energy is being washed out of you each time you breathe out. Stay here for a while. That is all for now. At your own pace, you can slowly return to where you were before this 5-minute break. I wish you a peaceful day.